Is it vibes? Yes, it's vibes.
Oh, Christmas tree. Oh, Christmas tree. The leaves are so unchanging.
I know what I do know. This place better be packed since I couldn't come at 12.
I mean, that's like prime time.
I guess, yeah.
That's why I said, I was like, it might not be busy because of COVID.
You can go.
It's also like,
Oh, you just floating. Bro, I do not be caring. Like,
YouTuber gets hit while filming.
hey guys, how's it going? Look how bougie this man is. He has so much money. He is literally so rich.
Delete that.
Like, I don't understand. This is something I could never afford.
I do not.
And as you should not. Must be nice. Thank you.
Tierra, you know you didn't pay for that. Somebody gave you money for that dinner.
So what? That's money that I could have used for something else.
You showed me the cash app.
Double shot. That is a double shot.
Why is this so much?
This is a double shot.
So you guys, wait, it won't even focus. Bro, this is not a double. This is a glass, and I have work to do.
I have work to do.
It ain't gonna happen today. Oh, we're going to Foxtail, guys. And Jordan is drinking an
Irish coffee.
yeah, because I don't know what's going on with her, but hopefully she drinks some of my tequila with me.
Alright, guys.
Alright. Do a toast, do a toast. Yeah, go ahead, you do
You
it.
should pour some in there.
You do it. You do the toast.
Oh, shout out to the friendships, you know, good vibes, and staying Rona free.
Rona free! Oh, 2020! Yo, here's all the food I got. They didn't cook my bacon all the way, so they gotta get me new bacon. But French toast gang out here. Oh my god, millennials are always recording their food.
Hey, these eggs is jiggling, bro. Y'all see the jiggle? Look at that jiggle.
You're gross. That looks very not edible to me. But live your best life. Oh, you got some fruit. Oh, you healthy.
It's like, oh, this nigga vibing.
Well, I didn't wear makeup today because Jordan got me hungover yesterday.
You got yourself hungover. Jordan was not drinking when I pulled up.
Jordan was.
I walk in, I see Jimmy.
I literally drank that whole bottle of wine on Friday. I was at work at 9 a.m. Like, we're talking to there.
That shit is wild. Yeah, they're like 83. It's 24/7 right now.
I'm still eating my food. We've been here since, what time is it? 12:30. So we've been here for an hour and a half. We're just like drinking and finishing up. Everyone has finished eating but me.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time here, welcome. Go ahead, make a channel, Lamont. I mean,
Damn.
Leo. There's Lamont. I mean, they're brothers. They're the same thing. These frat men keep putting up these Illuminati signs. Bro, I don't fucking hang around the devil worshippers.
Wow. My lord, you are the only Christian base for 38 days. My God told me
Period.
to renounce my letters.
Yeah! I can't do it again.
You don't want the views. You don't want the subscriptions. You don't want the. You don't want the monetization.
I'm monetized!
I can't tell. Nigga, I'm turning this off. Tierra folded. Shout out Gap Gang. If you got a Gap, you a real nigga.
Yeah.
Bro, where my check at?
When Rude Boy came out, I knew that I was about the life that I lived.
You were like 12.
I knew where I was going.
At the age of 12?
When Good Girl Gone Bad came out, I was like, I think I feel this on a spiritual level. I'm not quite old enough, but when I am, I'm gonna be there. And here we are.
Alright.
Appreciate you, girl.
Thank you so much, guys. I swapped your cards tonight. Sorry about that. I just realized that. There we are. Have a great night, guys.
Thank you.
It's day, so I don't know. I haven't been outside during the day. Have a good one.
Thank you, you too. Period. I have Amazon packages at my house.
Oh, some water.
And I'm about to go home. You need water? I got water. I got that water.
Shelves in 2018, and I just put them up.
Oh,
I'm wild for that.
I have some shelves underneath my bed I haven't put up yet.
I just like, I had them for my last place, but I was like, are these gonna like be right here?
Guys, I'm here at Starbucks after being in Walmart for an hour and a half with Jordan. I need our coffee because I need to edit and I need to record tonight, and I am exhausted. I don't know why I decided to get drunk for brunch. It was a very bad idea, but it's okay. Yeah, here I'm freezing. I didn't bring a coat. I don't know why I didn't bring a coat. Okay guys, so what I plan on doing right now is working out. I've only worked out probably like 3 times since I've gotten back from Tulum, which is wild. I've been out of Tulum for quite a bit of time, so I just moved my table. I'm about to work out. I think I might juice, but I don't know about that. I bought some pomegranate and mango, and I just for some reason think pomegranate mango will be good. What do you guys think? I don't know. We're gonna find out. I might do that, and I also just want to play Rockband. I don't know if you guys know this, but I love Rockband, and I think I'm gonna do that after I work out. And then I have to take my hair out tonight, but I'm gonna put that in the next vlog. And I also want to put up the tree, but I'm gonna put that in tomorrow's vlog as well, because I'm probably gonna do that at like 12 or 1 o'clock tonight, to be honest. So, tired. Yeah, I'm getting my hair done tomorrow, so I gotta take this out. I'm just getting a half up, half down ponytail. Jasmine's gonna do it for me. So anyways, let me go ahead and work out really quickly, and then I think I'm gonna juice very quickly, maybe, and then I'm gonna play Rockband. So.
You'll get by, but you'll be fine. With that life on, I'll die down on. With that life on, with that life on. With that life on. Go on, baby, get your gun. Go on, honey, hit the run. Yeah, I'm fine. Into blood, you know, baby, all your crimes, baby, gonna be lost in time. So for now, yeah, prove that you're not made of stone tonight. Get me hypnotized, get me mesmerized. Yeah, prove that there's much more to life than lies. Get me hypnotized, get me mesmerized. Show me love, love, like I'm an idiot. Show me love.
Yeah, I'm really out of shape. One thing about my endurance, it like does not last. So as soon as I stop working out, I feel like I just lose it, you know. So that was just like my warm up, taking my blood rushing. I have like these 20-pound leg weights. If you see my other videos, you know I've used these before. I'm gonna just do 3 leg workouts, 10 to 12 reps each, probably 4 sets, so I can be done. It's been a long day. Oh my god, it's been such a long day. Oh, very tired. I just have to take my hair out. I want to play the rock band still. I'm gonna play that next. I want to do over. That'll be my next vlog. Don't worry about it. I'll tell you the. You'll see. You'll see tomorrow what I'm doing today. But okay. Before I lose all of my hard work I just did getting warm, let me get to it.
Go on, baby, get your gun. Go on, honey, hit the run. Yeah, I'm fine, into blood, you know, baby, all your crimes, baby, gonna be lost in time. So for now,
Prove that you're not made of stone tonight. Get me hypnotized, get me mesmerized. Yeah, prove that there's much more to life than lies. Get me hypnotized, get me mesmerized. Show me love like I'm an idiot.
Guys, I don't know what's up with me today. I think it's just because I'm very tired. Vlogmas has beat my ass. And I'm just tired and I just want to relax a little bit. And yeah, so I did 2 out of my 3 leg workouts and I'm just done. I'm over it. I burned 300 calories. That's enough for me. That's enough for a starter workout. Get it back into the groove. I'm about to play Rock Band for a little bit and then I'm going to take a shower. Oh, I'm about to drink a smoothie. I have pre-made ones. It's lit. This is peanut butter banana. So good. Peanut butter banana, whole fat yogurt, protein powder, and almond milk, obviously. Yeah. So good. Okay. So I'm not gonna juice. I'll juice tomorrow. It's pre-cut fruit, so it'll literally take like 5 minutes. I'll just do it tomorrow. Yeah, so I'm gonna go play the game now. I'm only gonna do like 3 or 4 songs, and because I have other things to do, but still hype. Alright, y'all. I finally got my game on. Rock Band 2. I'm just gonna do some solo quick play. Well, maybe I'll go on tour for a little bit. A little tour, whatever. I don't know if you guys know this, but like I used to play Rock Band like crazy when I was a kid, and because I was homeschooled for a couple years, and yeah, we used to get to work, baby. Like I was really breaking it down. I was really getting to it. So I'm gonna just play the drums because my nails, y'all see my last vlog, you know, they are still popping, baby. Girl, they so good. Make sure you go ahead and follow her on Instagram too, because what? Not a jewel done came off. I don't want them to, so I'm gonna just play the drums because when I be on the guitar, and it'd be too much, okay?
I cannot do this.
I'll play any more songs, honey. I don't want to play no more. No, he was really like, he had all his weight right here. I was like, come on, bro. I can't even lift anymore.
He sat on Jada's back like that the one day. She's like, Mom, you can't help.
Say body yada 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 You gonna be a drummer? You gotta put one in each hand. Look, you put one here and you put one here. Okay, you can do both. You're supposed to do one here. You gotta do one here. You gotta do here. You can do both in one. But that's not how you play. You play one here. No? There we go. There we go. Like, yeah, there we go. Alright. Oh. Okay. How you gonna get behind me? You did that. That's all you. Is it vibes? Is it vibes? Yes, it's vibes. Vibes. Don't hit yourself. You get brow. Okay, vibes. Don't hit yourself though. Come on, man.
You did not have to throw your head back.
Don't hit yourself. Okay. Yep. Hi. Hi. It was a good show, guys. We did our best. Don't ever forget. Keep your mask on and rock and roll. Yeah? No, okay.